What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray, and today we are going to be doing some cleaning. It is actually supposed to be a hair wash day, but I'm going to put it off today and do my hair tomorrow because this house is in shambles. So I want to go ahead and get it cleaned up today. It is raining outside, so I'm not planning on going anywhere. So I thought, hey, it's a perfect day to get moving. So hopefully you will enjoy this video and it will inspire you enough to get up and do some things around your house as well. I am going to be cleaning the living room, the kitchen. I'm going to move to the dining room, and I'm going to throw in a little bit of laundry today as well. So come on, clean with me. Whew. Okay guys, I am done with all that I'm going to do today. It took a little bit longer than I thought because like I said, right now is a busy season with the basketball. Sectionals are coming up, so we are up from 6:30 until 11 o'clock at night sometimes, just running back and forth to basketball games. We're at basketball games at the weekend, so the house was in pretty bad shape. But I am not going to do the laundry today, like I said earlier in my video. I am going to do the laundry, but I'm not going to film it because this has just kind of been too long. So, but I will show you what I got accomplished. There's Scotty. He got his toys on the floor already. So I will say that these eating tables right here are going to get out of here. I gotta have my husband take those out. And as you can see, we still got Christmas paper here that needs to go out, as well as seasonal stuff here. This is stuff I had out for the autumn, so that box needs to go out. But my husband is supposed to do that. I'm not gonna keep bugging him about it because, like I said, he's been very busy running AJ back and forth to games and such. We've both been busy, so we're giving each other a little bit of grace when it comes to the things that we have to get done. So it looks better than it did, so I'm satisfied, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you're notified of my next upload. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.